Hi guys, Daniel Murphy here with Conservation Construction. Just going to do a quick video of a new siding job down in Parker. It's in the Pinery. This home's about 30 years old. Obviously we got our dumpster and porta potty on site. We're about a week from finish on this one. You can see we got our little sign out here. I'm going to make this quick because we got some crazy weather coming. But basically on this kind of southeast side of the house, I'm going to show you the old siding first. Like I say, we're in the middle of getting this all completed. Like I said, probably another week or so and this will be finished up. We've got our full house wrap going. You can see on that upper left part we've got the original. This home is basically, like I said, about 30 years old. It's got the old cedar siding, a lot of kind of damage in certain parts. We've got it mostly taken down now, and on this particular one you can see there's only a little bit left. And as I come around to this other side, you can see we have the full house wrap, and around the front. This particular siding, it says James Hardie, is the new siding. The color on this one, let me look here, we have Metropolitan gray Soffits, so we did get all the soffit work done. And then on the main color, it's called Old Cherry. So it's actually a James Hardie product, and it's got this beautiful stain look. So we'll see a lot of this in kind of neighborhoods like the Pinery, or definitely up in some of these mountain homes. We're getting a lot of this work done underneath the soffits and that front porch. So as I go around, and I'll get some kind of closer up. We've got all our material right here. Sorry for keep turning the angle here, but basically you can see this side is mostly done. So come around, show you kind of a close up. This is like beautiful. It has a really nice texture to it. Again, James Hardie. I put it on one of my own personal homes. I love that product. It holds up forever. And woodpeckers do not like it. It's fire resistant. It's actually a Class A fire rated siding. So especially areas that unfortunately get more and more in the way of fires, this will definitely help out, protect this home a little more. As I come around, our crews have kind of been halted for work today, or right now. Hopefully the storm clears. When you come around, you get an idea of what this looks like. And I'll show you the back. I'll come back, and when I have a little better weather, we can get this videoed up a little more. This is the back as I prep the whole back of the home, making sure all the walls are perfect. But that's a wrap for now, and I'll come back, I'll get another video for you guys. All right, have a good day.